Liven up your walking aid with this stylish and reliably stable classic folding cane. The T-shaped handle is designed to be more forgiving on the wrists and hands, and the strong shaft will comfortably accommodate weights of up to 114 kilos, that's 18 stone. The rubber ferrule offers reliable anti-slip on all surfaces, while the three-point folding design is great for slipping this walking stick into a bag or for keeping it out of the way when it's not in use. Height adjustments are available between 73.8 centimetres and 95.5 centimetres. That's between 29 and 38 inches. This cane is now available in 3 bold designs. The stylish and classic folding cane from CareCo, available now online, on tablet, on mobile, in showrooms, and you can always give us a call.